Welcome to our deep dive into JavaScript generators and how they can revolutionize your approach to asynchronous iteration. If you've ever struggled with managing asynchronous operations in JavaScript, this tutorial will provide a fresh perspective. By the end of this video, you'll understand how generators can simplify your code, making it more readable and efficient. We'll explore key concepts, including the yield keyword and how to pause and resume functions. Generators aren't just another tool. They're a game changer for handling asynchronous workflows. If you're passionate about writing cleaner, more efficient JavaScript, stay tuned. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more high-quality tutorials that keep you updated with the latest in the tech world. Let's start with the basics of JavaScript generators. Introduced in ECMAScript 2015, generators are functions that can be paused and resumed, making them ideal for managing asynchronous operations. Think of a generator like a Netflix series. You can pause an episode, go do something else, and come back to pick up exactly where you left off. This is achieved using the yield keyword, which effectively pauses the function, allowing other operations to execute before resuming. Unlike regular functions that return a single value, generators return an iterator object, enabling them to yield multiple values over time. This makes them perfect for scenarios like data fetching, where you might not have all the data available at once. It's this ability to handle asynchronous data in a synchronous style that gives generators their power. By implementing the iterator protocol, generators can produce a sequence of values, making complex workflows much more manageable. To solidify our understanding, let's look at a practical example. We'll explore how to use a generator to fetch data asynchronously. In our React application, we'll use a generator to handle fetching data from multiple URLs. The generator function fetchDataGenerator yields promises from axios.get calls, allowing us to fetch data sequentially. Inside the component, we iterate over the generator using a for-await of loop, which handles each promise as it resolves. This approach significantly simplifies asynchronous data fetching, providing a cleaner and more readable structure. You can find the full code in the comments below. As a challenge, try to modify this code by adding new features and share your version in the comments. Let's walk through what happens when we run this application. When the page loads, you'll see a button labeled Fetch Data. Upon clicking this button, our generator function begins its work. It sequentially fetches data from 3 different URLs by sending HTTP GET requests. As each request completes, the resulting data is stored in an array. Once all data is fetched, it's rendered on the screen as a list of titles. This approach not only ensures that the data is fetched in order, but also makes the code much easier to manage and debug. Notice how seamlessly the generator handles asynchronous operations, allowing us to write synchronized, readable code. And there you have it, a comprehensive introduction to using JavaScript generators for asynchronous iteration. By incorporating generators into your projects, you can simplify complex workflows, improve code readability, and enhance performance. This powerful tool is a must-have for any JavaScript developer looking to streamline their code. As you continue to explore and experiment with generators, you'll discover even more applications and benefits. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you'll accelerate your learning with practical, real-world examples that you can immediately apply to your projects. Keep learning, keep coding, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.